vegetables to make sustainable health choices.
It's not easy being a healthy mum, healthy parent, healthy person. It's really about making this happen. That's the same for you guys. You are always going to be very specific because your bodies are very important. Whenever you see a dietitian or a nutritionist, they will always refer to the plate. And it's always 1/3 of a serve of vegetables, 1 serve of a plate being protein, and 1/3 carbohydrates. So what kind of carbohydrates can you use?
Other two people.
Nice to meet you.
Two? Alia? 2 people?
Yeah, why not? Yeah! We're a team. We're a team. So we've got some recipes. All right, what do you feel like? Do you feel like got gluten-free living? Sing it with me.
Well, I was right.
I feel good. Dun-dun-dun. Spinach in a smoothie and got away with it with partners and kids themselves. Yeah? Okay, don't mind me. That's a good handful, would you say? Vegetable? The ladies and gentlemen, we all happy with some excitement? All right. Oh yeah, I forgot I've got to hold the top there. Oh, this is like fireworks. Gonna eat it later, you know. Ooh, that is fast. The ultimate test. Ladies, will you do the honors? I'm just gonna spread the love. Brekkie for the kids. That's it. Anyone want to top up? Any? Yeah. Now, like when you toast, you know, pumpkin seeds kind of sounds a bit like, oh, do I have to? But when you toast them, you'll see the other chefs, like it caramelizes it. VCP, just come in, vegetables, carbs, protein. So sometimes we don't have, you know, we're practical. We want some vegetable or fruit. Doesn't always have to be vegetable, okay? Yeah, and especially if you've got digestive problems, you want to find a low sugar fruit or a fruit snack that is gluten-free, but also natural. And this just like, it lasts forever. NASA actually discovered freeze drying. You feel the energy spreading in your veins. If anyone's into dark chocolate, this will be right up their alley. But remember, we're listening to our guts as well. Yeah, so you're going to have some mixed berries. Haven't got a camera here, but that's all right. We can just, look at the berries. You can add in this like a protein powder, always natural protein powder, the gluten-free app. Download that and it will show you whether or not the ingredients that you buy from your supermarket is gluten-free. And you'll know by the ingredients as well, if the more natural the better.